तत्तवस्त्रे नमो रक्ताभिनापराधक्षयुक्तश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणभराद्रं ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्नकामि श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्रीगौरभक्तवृन्द
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद परमो नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम अष्टोत्तर श्री रामकृष्ण स्वामी महाराज नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत नारायण महाराज श्री अमृतरण कमलों अनंत कोटि साष्टांग धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा धन्यवाद प्रणाम करता है। आज सुंदर पवित्र दिवस है। आज विवाह
Today is disappearance day of Svarup Damodar Goswami and Shivananda Sen.
और विशेष करके आज
And also
जगन्नाथ जी की आज रथ यात्रा है।
the world famous Rath Yatra is today.
एक साल लोग प्रतीक्षा करते रहते
For 1 year, the devotees keep on waiting to have darshan of Jagannath Deva.
विशेष करके
Especially
जगन्नाथ मंदिर में ऐसे
in the Jagannath temple, this is a ritual that, this is a rule that those who are not Hindus cannot enter into the temple.
अंडा लोग जाएंगे।
So the Pandas, they do not allow
लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ
for the non-Hindus to enter. But the Lord Jagannath,
सभी के तो है ही।
he belongs to everyone.
भगवान सभी के लिए।
Bhagwan belongs to everyone.
हम लोग इस संसार में ऊंची नीची
In this world, we have these differences of various
जो भगवान के निकट
categories,
सभी
but
बराबर।
for the Bhagwan, everyone is equal.
सभी तो पिता माता तमेव माता
Because he is the mother, father of everyone. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva.
सबकी धान वही है। इसलिए विशेष करके जो नॉन हिंदू है
So the non-Hindus, those who want to go inside the temple, they are always feeling so bad. So Jagannath is called Jagat Ke Nath, means Lord of Universe.
साल में एक बार जो है
So once in a year, he comes outside.
सभी के
With the excuse of Rath Yatra, he gives darshan to everyone.
ऊंची नीच कोई भेद विचार नहीं।
So there is no thought of any kind of different categories. Everyone can see the Lord.
अभी आप लोग ने भी श्रवण किया ये करीब कितने दिन तक
You have just heard that for how many days? 15 days Jagannath Dev, he does the Aswastha Leela and he keeps on drinking the kadha, some kind of medicines.
कितने महीने तक ये कि जब तक क्या कोरोना रहेगा
वैक्सीन आ गई
But we are also drinking this kada every evening till the time we are not getting the vaccine of corona.
है, लीला भी करते रहते हैं। है, इसके पहले भी क्या स्नान जत्र की कथा आप लोगों ने
So Jagannath Dev, he is Leela Purushottam, so he keeps on doing many type of leelas like the Snana Yatra,
जगन्नाथ जी के क्या हो गया
that the devotees they bathe Jagannath and the Jagannath gets fever, and for the 7 days Jagannath's temple is closed. So these kind of pastimes happens
जगन्नाथ जी
in the temple.
है, कहने देखो मेरा
And after that Jagannath Dev said that I want to go outside.
पूरी कभार करने के लिए है, हेलीकॉप्टर लॉकडाउन की रहेगा
Hmm?
लॉकडाउन कब तक रहेगा
Just like we are staying inside the house in the lockdown, for how long we can stay inside? So we also have this desire to go outside. So Jagannath Dev, he is also manifesting this new pastime of going outside. And the Rath Yatra time is also coming.
हम श्रवण करेंगे धीरे-धीरे हम श्रवण करेंगे। आज विशेष प्रसंग है ये जगन्नाथ देव रथ में कैसे बैठ करके गुंडीचा मंदिर क्या बोले जगन्नाथ मंदिर से गुंडीचा मंदिर क्या
So Jagannath Dev sitting on the chariot, he is going from the Jagannath temple to the Gundicha temple.
नीलाचल से कहाँ जा रहे हैं
He is going from Nilanchal to Sundranchal.
फिर देखो लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ किसी को नहीं बोला मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ
But the Lord Jagannath, he did not say anything to anyone, even not to the Lakshmi Devi, that where I am going. So along with his elder brother Baldev Prabhu and the sister Subhadra.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं
So he did not tell that where he is going
ये बहुत रहस्य की बात है
because there is a secret behind it.
ये समस्त लीला आदि करते हैं
So in this way he is doing the beautiful pastimes of the Jagannath Dev.
ये तो इसी लीला को लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु केवल मॉडिफिकेशन किया
But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he
कुरुक्षेत्र प्रसंग की कथा
elevated the bhav of this Rath Yatra. He did some modification and explained it in a better way. That Krishna is going from the Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. So this was the bhav given by
कौन लेकर के जा रहे हैं
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And who is bringing Jagannath Dev from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan? Gopis. The Jaydev Goswami Pad has written this shlok
राधा जी स्वयं कृष्ण के निकट
that Radha ji is requesting to Krishna
वही कृष्ण हो
that you are the same Krishna and I am the same Radha.
दोनों आज कुरुक्षेत्र में हम मिल रहे हैं
Both are meeting in Kurukshetra today, but there is no Anand. Why?
ये वही सत्य भूमि है
Because this is an Aishwarya land, land of opulence.
है और विशेष करके रथ के जो पहिया जो है घर 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 घर
There are so many horses, army, and
और यहाँ पर आपके देश
the
में
wheel
और
of your chariot is making noise, and you are also in a warrior form, having a crown on your head,
रहने वाले लोग
and all the people surrounding you are the kshatriya, the warriors.
किंतु हे गोविंद हे कृष्ण
But O Govinda, O
आप
Krishna,
वृंदावन में पधारिए
you come to Vrindavan.
वृंदावन आपके घर है लेकिन
Vrindavan is your house
क्योंकि वृंदावन ऐसे मधुर धाम
because Vrindavan is such a sweet dham
भाव अलग
where the bhav is different,
माधुर्य प्रकाश होती है
and the Krishna's madhurya gets manifested in Vrindavan. That how he lives in Vrindavan, he is having a peacock feather on his head,
रजगुनियों के द्वारा
and
सुंदर वनफूलों के द्वारा
with the beautiful
माला के द्वारा
forest flowers,
आपने वेणु रहते
garlands made up of those flowers, he is ornamented and having the pitambar and also the flute, and with a very sweet smile he is giving bliss to everyone.
स्वयं राधा जी का प्रिय सुवन सहचरी कुरुक्षेत्र में
So Swayam Shri Radhika is saying
मिल रहे हैं
that though we are meeting both, we are same, you are the same Krishna and I am the same Radha. Tattva Siddhanta is also same.
किंतु जो आनंद जो सुख है
But the
जगन्नाथ,
Anand, the Sukh of
ये
Vrindavan,
कुरुक्षेत्र में
this is,
वो आनंद नहीं,
we are not able to get it here in Kurukshetra.
ये पर आपके भाव भी अलग है।
Your feelings are also different. You are in a king form,
और वृंदावन इतने सुंदर मधुर
and in the
और
Vrindavan is
वे
such a
भक्त
sweet land.
मयूर नृत्य
You have the
आदि
Gopa Vesh,
जमुना पुलीन है,
and there the peacocks are dancing, and there is a shore of Yamuna.
जाने आप वृंदावन में पधारी,
So,
वृंदावन कैसे मधुर स्थान,
so you come to Vrindavan. Vrindavan is such a sweet
अनेक
place,
जयकुंजों की तरह सुशोभित है।
and it is a secluded place which is beautified with so many kunja, so many groves,
और इधर के
and the bhav of all the gopis are different.
ये महापुरुष करने लगे, अनेर मन मन मोर
So that
मन
is why
वृंदावन
Mahaprabhu said,
मन
"Aner
मन
man man,
जानी,
more man
ताहत
Vrindavan."
तुम्हारा पादत दय कराओ यदि उदय, तबे तुम्हारा पूर्ण कृपा मान। महापुरुष स्वयं भी करते जाते, राधा भाव में विवाह करते।
So Mahaprabhu himself in the Radha Bhav, he says that, "O Govind, you manifest your lotus feet in the Vrindavan, and my mind is Abhinna Vrindavan."
मन बने याद करे जाने। वृंदावन में पधारे,
So you come to Vrindavan.
वृंदावन के गोपी
Vrindavan's Gopi, cows, land,
एक अपूर्व अनूठा
they are
है।
very different.
संहिता में वृंदावन की
In the
सुंदर महिमा
Brahma Samhita,
भूमि चिंता में परमंत्र कथा गान
very beautiful
नाटक,
explanation of the land of Vrindavan.
तुलसी,
Chintamani Prakar.
वृंदावन की धूल कणा
The dust of Vrindavan is not ordinary. Bhumish Chintamani,
जहाँ पर जल अमृत सा
where the water is just like nectar, and the Katha Gan, the speaking and singing of the gopis, talking to each other of the gopis,
कीर्तन के भांति
they are,
सुंदर सुरीली
that is
कंठ
just
से
like the
निवेदन
kirtan, a very beautiful
नाटक कमल
kirtan, sweet
उनकी
kirtan,
चलन जैसे
and
जैसे
their
समस्तक
walking
गोपियाँ,
is, the gopis walk is just like Natya Kala, like a dancing.
कितना सुंदर
So what a beautiful art of dancing is there in their walk.
है। इसलिए राधा जी करें ये महाप्रभु के भाव व्यक्त हुए रथ यात्रा जो है ये विशेष है।
So these are the special feelings of the Rath Yatra
बाकी दूसरों के
which are
कृपा
shown by
करना,
Chaitanya
ये
Mahaprabhu.
गौण माना जाता है।
So giving mercy to the others by the Jagannath Dev to other the non-Hindus. So this is a secondary reason.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं? गुंडीचा
Jagannath Dev is going to Gundicha temple,
है, जिसके सुंदराचल कहा जाता
which is called Sundaranchal.
है। नीलाचल से छोड़ करके सुंदराचल
So he is leaving Nilachal and is
इसी
going to
बहाने से
Sundaranchal.
सदियों के दर्शन करते जा रहे हैं।
And with this excuse, he is giving darshan to everyone.
है, रथारूढ़, रथ में
देखो।
आरूढ़ जगन्नाथ जी के कोई एक बार दर्शन कर लेते हैं
And it is written in the scriptures that if one sees the Jagannath Dev sitting on the chariot, it is not required for him to come again in this world. There is no need for him to come in the womb of a mother in this materialistic world. So, everyone at least one time should see the Jagannath Dev sitting on the chariot, Ratha Rudam.
जगन्नाथ रथ में जो बैठ कर
When the Jagannath Dev is sitting on the chariot and is going to अरे कुछ भी नहीं है।
सुबह को तो बार-बार दर्शन के बाद
नहीं, ठीक है।
इस जीवन में क्या करना चाहिए एक बात
So once in a lifetime one should surely go to the Jagannath to see Jagannath and specifically on the chariot.
अभी हम जगन्नाथ जी की कथा श्रवण कर रहे हैं
So we are listening to the katha of Jagannath, that how Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, all three chariots,
जगन्नाथ जी की
they are slowly moving.
जगन्नाथ जी की महिमा जैसे चेतावनी
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writes the glorifications of Jagannath Dev, Rath Yatra.
आदि भक्तों के साथ
And Mahaprabhu along with Sadrup Damodar and other devotees, he used to relish this Rath Yatra
नृत्य आदि करने लगे
and how he used to dance in front of Rath Yatra.
जिस नृत्य के देख करके
And looking at that dance of Mahaprabhu, even the Jagannath, he got surprised
राधा जी के भाव में
because
दिखाई देते
Mahaprabhu
थे कि
is
महाप्रभु
in the feelings of Radha ji.
नृत्य करने लगे
And when he started dancing in those feelings, Jagannath
हैं?
Dev, he got pleased.
जगन्नाथ जी
He
के
was
प्रति
so
प्रसन्न। क्योंकि
happy to
रास
see
लीला में
Mahaprabhu
राधा
dancing
जी
in that way.
नृत्य करते थे।
Just like the Radha ji, she used to dance
हैं? लास्य नाम
Las.
लास्य नृत्य का।
So Radha ji's dance name is Las Nritya something. I did not get the name exactly.
शास्त्र में ऐसा बहुत कुछ वर्णन है संगीत
So there is a specific name of the Radha ji's dance.
शिला स्वरूप दामोदर उसको भी बहुत सुंदर रूप में वर्णन किया गया है।
Srila Sarup Damodar has also explained it in a very nice way
जब
that when Jagannath,
महाप्रभु के नृत्य देखने लगे
when he started seeing Mahaprabhu's dance,
रथ यात्रा प्रसंग में
how much he was pleased.
और
Krishnadas
स्वयं
Kaviraj
चैतन्य
Goswami
महाप्रभु
also writes the same things.
राधा जी के भाव में विवाहित होकर के जगन्नाथ जी के निकट अपने भाव को जब व्यक्त करते
So when Mahaprabhu in the feelings of Radha ji, when he
हैं,
is
रथ यात्रा प्रसंग जो है
showing his bhav in front of the Jagannath Deva.
चैतन्य चरितामृत में
So this
विशेष प्रसंग
all
जो है,
topic, special topic in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is like the heart of Chaitanya Charitamrita, just like in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the Ras Panchadhyaya is the heart of Bhagavatam.
आसन पंच प्राण स्वरूप
So the five pran, the five souls,
प्रथम स्कंद 29 अध्याय से
the
लेकर
five
के
chapters, 29th chapter up to 33 chapter, they are like the Pancha Pran and the five souls of Bhagavatam. And Gurudev used to say that in the Chaitanya Charitamrita,
जहाँ पर राधा की सुंदर महिमा वर्णन
where in the Adi Leela Radhaji's glories have been explained, then the Sanatan Shiksha, Rupa Shiksha,
और
and
क्या बोले
Rai Ramanand Samvad,
और ये
and
जगन्नाथ जी की रथ
Jagannath Rath Yatra. So these topics, they are like the souls of Chaitanya Charitamrita, and every time, again and again, you should
पहले हम तो एक कथा
do the Shravana Kirtan of these
कि हम
topics.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं कहाँ मन रूपी रथ और हृदय रूपी सिंहासन में
On the chariot of mind and on the throne of heart, one should make Jagannath Dev sit.
क्योंकि मन रूपी रथ
First, one has to clean their mind because mind is chariot. Who is going to sit on the chariot? Bhagwan.
हमारे मन यदि पवित्र
So
नहीं
if
हो,
our mind is not
अपवित्र यदि
pure,
मन हो,
and if
सब कपट
it is full of hypocrisy, cheating, propensities, then how can Bhagwan come and sit in that kind of mind which is compared to the chariot, and the heart is compared with the throne where Sinhasan, the altar where Bhagwan is going to sit.
उस सिंहासन पवित्र हो।
So that place, the sitting place should be very pure for the Bhagwan to sit.
साधक की दृष्टि से साधक अपने मन और हृदय को पवित्र रखे।
So sadhak, he should purify his mind and heart so that Bhagwan directly could come and sit there.
काल हम लोग क्या श्रवण किया था?
Yesterday what we heard about the Gundicha Mandir Marjan,
हृदय को हम कैसे पवित्र करें?
that how can we clean our heart.
हृदय यदि पवित्र नहीं हो,
If our heart is not purified and it is full of cheating propensities and
इसमें चैतन्य महाप्रभु
hypocrisy, then how the Bhagwan is going to appear?
गरीबों को शिक्षा दिया।
So Mahaprabhu giving these teachings to the people of this world that first we should clean the heart, which is Gundicha Mandir Marjan that we heard yesterday.
छल कपट
That leaving all these cheating
जिसमें
propensities
काम क्रोध आदि
and the lust, anger,
और
we have
आगे
to
जाकर
leave
के
them.
मुक्ति के कई वासना तक भी
And even we should not have any desire of the mukti.
यदि मुक्ति के वासना रहे
Because if the desire of the mukti is present in the heart, the Shuddha Bhakti is not possible.
तावत भक्ति सुखस्कर कथम अभूतो भवे। मुक्ति की इच्छा जो है,
The desire of the mukti,
वो कैसे पिशाचिनी के
it is just like a ghost, pishachi.
मुक्ति मुक्ति सुखिया जात पिशाचिनी वर्तते। इसे मुक्ति के वासना के भी इच्छा के भी
So there should be no desire of the mukti.
तब हृदय निर्मल हृदय
Then the
में
heart is called pure,
विराजमान।
and then the pure heart, the Govind is going to
काम क्रोध आदि के
sit.
द्वारा तो भगवान स्पष्ट
The Bhagwan cannot be controlled by lust, anger.
है। जहाँ काम तहाँ नहीं राम।
Where the Ram is there, there is no lust, and where the lust is there, there is no Ram. Just like the night and the day cannot stay at one place, in the same way the Ram and the Kam cannot stay at the same place.
आज जगन्नाथ जी कैसे जा रहे हैं? सैकड़ों लोग जगन्नाथ जी को लेकर के जा रहे हैं।
Hundreds of people are
सबकी भावना एक नहीं, किंतु हमारे विश्वास
pulling Jagannath Dev to
दिव्य अपराजित
the chariot of the Jagannath Dev
वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
to Sundranchal.
जय जय सतगण सुनिए आगमन, रथयात्रा नित्य प्रभु परम मोहन, आर्दीन महाप्रभु भैया सावधान, राष्ट्रीय बुद्धि गण संगे करिल प्रथ स्नान, पांडु विजय देखिबारे करिल गमन, जगन्नाथ यात्रा करिल छाड़ी सिंहासन। महाप्रभु प्रातः काल में उठ करके स्नान
Mahaprabhu in the morning, first he took bath, and then along with the devotees he went to the Jagannath temple.
कैसे जगन्नाथ रथ में बैठे
That how he is going to sit on the chariot, Mahaprabhu wants to see that pastime.
जिस लीला को कहा जाता है पांडु
That
विजय।
Leela is called Pandu Vijay Leela.
संक्षेप में बताता हूँ,
I'll
ये जगन्नाथ जी के
brief
दैत्य
it. The Daitas of the Jagannath Dev,
वो कैसे जगन्नाथ जी के लेकर के रथ के ऊपर कैसे बैठा
that how they make Jagannath Dev sit on the chariot.
रुई के तकिया के ऊपर रख
There
के
are very nice cushions of cotton, and the Jagannath Dev is pulled and kept on that cushions, that the cotton gets the cushions gets teared off,
एक सुंदर लीला।
and the cotton is flying in the sky.
जगन्नाथ जी रथ
So this
में
is also a very beautiful pastime, that how he comes from the temple's altar to the chariot. This is
फिर
called Pandu Vijay.
जगन्नाथ जी के सामने रथ से जब विराजमान होते हैं
When
स्वयं राजा
he sits on the chariot just like a king.
झाड़ू लेकर के सोने के झाड़ू लेकर के
So when the Jagannath sits on the chariot, then the king of that place, he comes with the golden broom and cleans
उस दिन आपको श्रवण किया था
the land before the chariot.
नित्यानंद प्रभु सभी लोग महाप्रभु के निकट कहने लगे
The Nityananda Prabhu and other devotees, they said to Mahaprabhu that King Pratap Rudra is a great devotee and is also a servant of Jagannath Dev, so you should give darshan to Pratap Rudra. We heard few days back about this story that Mahaprabhu said that for a sannyasi
किंतु
it
देखो
is not appropriate to see a king.
राजा की
When today Mahaprabhu he saw that king is doing this kind of very low service, and Mahaprabhu's heart got melted.
सामान्य सेवा क्यों करना भगवान
So Bhagwan gets melted even if someone does a very ordinary service to the
देखो,
Lord.
इस संसार में तुम्हारे सारे खून परिवार के लिए दे दो
In this world, even if you give your whole blood to your family, no one will be happy from
एक दिन
you.
तुम्हारे अनुभव होगा
One day you will surely realize that your family doesn't love you. Your mother, father, brother, sister, friends, even if you give your whole blood, means the whole power of your to that family, but still they will not be satisfied. But for the Govinda, if you serve in a very little way, like in an ordinary way, the Bhagavan is satisfied. Alpa seva bhu kari mani.
सेवा कर देते हैं
So if someone serves the Lord in a very small way, Bhagwan gets pleased
ये बात
with
तो
that
सबसे
service.
सच है। आप बताइए
So, which service is the superior service?
भगवान की खुदा की सेवा है।
The service of the Lord, any kind of service of the Lord is the superior service. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said,
महाप्रभु हट किया
when
मैं राज
Mahaprabhu,
दर्शन नहीं करूं।
he
राजा के दर्शन के लिए।
said that I will not see the king.
देखो राजा की सामान्य सेवा दर्शन किया। क्या
But
सेवा?
today when
राजा
Mahaprabhu he saw this service
सामने में
of king to the Lord Jagannath, that cleaning the land in front of the chariot, because this cleaning is the job of very low person, the fourth class people.
किंतु इसको देख करके
But
महाप्रभु के
looking
हृदय
at the king himself is doing it,
और उसी समय
Mahaprabhu's
विचार
heart
करके
got
देखे,
melted.
राजा प्रताप में दर्शन
So then Mahaprabhu thought, I will surely give darshan to Raja King Pratap Rudra.
हे चैतन्य महाप्रभु क्या देखा जगन्नाथ जी जब रथ में बैठे
Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he saw that the Jagannath Dev is sitting on the chariot, and all the devotees under the guidance of Mahaprabhu started doing the kirtan.
अपने अपने विभाजित होकर के
Like they made a groups, like 7 groups, just like Prabhuji told earlier. So they started dancing and doing kirtan. And Mahaprabhu himself also in a circular position, in a circular way he started dancing. And what a beautiful dance that was.
सब मंडली में
That
विराजमान होने
everyone felt that Mahaprabhu is in my group, dancing in my group.
रास लीला में
Just like in the Ras Leela, Swayam Krishna,
समस्त गोपियों के साथ
along with all the gopis, he was doing the dance.
और उस समय समस्त गोपियों
All
के
the
साथ
gopis
केवल
thought
कृष्ण
that Krishna is dancing only with me.
है, जिससे वो समस्त गोपियों के क्या हुआ
So that is why all the gopis, they got the Sobhagya Mad, the pride of fortune.
और राधा जी के क्या हुई
And Radha ji, she got the sulky mood,
इसी
man.
प्रकार इसी लीला में महाप्रभु की जगन्नाथ जी के सामने जब चैतन्य
And in
महाप्रभु
front of Jagannath Dev, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is dancing,
और सभी भक्त लोग देखा क्या
all the devotees, they saw that Mahaprabhu is in our group, dancing in our group.
उत्साह से
So everyone felt such a great encouragement, and with such a great bliss they all started dancing and doing kirtan. And after that Chaitanya
धीरे
Mahaprabhu,
धीरे जगन्नाथ जी के निकट आए
slowly he came near to Jagannath.
जगन्नाथ जी भी प्रसन्न हुए।
Jagannath
इसलिए
also
प्रसन्न हुए,
was pleased
ना
to
जगन्नाथ
see
जी सब
Mahaprabhu.
साक्षात देख रहे हैं।
Jagannath is saying that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Sakshat Radharani.
ये रास मंडल में
Just like in the Ras Mandal, Radha ji
नृत्य करती थी
dances,
और आज
and the same Radhika ji is dancing
इसलिए
here
जगन्नाथ जी
in the form of Mahaprabhu. So Jagannath ji is so satisfied, so pleased
विग्रह जो है ऐसे अप डाउन होते हैं।
that the Mahaprabhu's, the Jagannath Dev's vigraha started moving like
आनंद में
shaking.
जगन्नाथ जी देख रहे हैं कितने सुंदर नृत्य चल रहा है। नृत्य
So
की बात
Jagannath Dev was watching the beautiful dance of Mahaprabhu.
इसके पश्चात सभी भक्त लोग जब कीर्तन आदि करने लगे
So when all the devotees started doing the kirtan, after some time Savrup
महाप्रभु के
Damodar,
भाव जान करके
by understanding the bhav of Mahaprabhu, he
एक
started
वराना तो पाइनु
the
जहाँ
new
भी
kirtan.
मदन दमने इसके तात्पर्य यह है
So this kirtan's meaning is,
अनेक दिनों के पश्चात
after so many days, after Sudhirga Vipralamba, very long separation,
राधा जी
Radha ji,
अपने प्राणकांत गोविंद को प्राप्त करके
when she gets her Prananath Govinda,
इसी
how
भाव को
blessed
प्राप्त से ही तो प्राणनाथ
she
पाइनु
is
जहाँ
feeling.
भी मदन दमने चले गए मदन माने अप्राकृत काम
And the aprakrit kam, aprakrit prem, and she
और किसी
got
भाव को
melted
प्राप्त
in that
किसी प्रकार से
aprakrit
सुन
transcendental
करके
love.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And by hearing this kirtan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he started dancing like
महाप्रभु जब जगन्नाथ जी के
in a
सामने नृत्य
aggressive
करते थे,
manner.
कैसे नृत्य करते थे हैं? आपकी भाई
fully immersed into the bhav.
प्रकांड शरीर है
Like Mahaprabhu is having a prakand, means a very big body, Tapta Kanchan Gauranga.
जब महाप्रभु जब नृत्य करते थे
When Mahaprabhu used to dance, just like he was touching the sky,
पृथ्वी के स्पर्श करते
and then he is touching the earth,
सोने के मानो
just like a mountain of the gold is doing up down, and by the touch of Mahaprabhu's feet, the earth started shaking.
यहाँ पर वर्णन है कितनी सुंदर नृत्य आदि चल रहा है।
So what a beautiful dance Mahaprabhu is doing. And after some time doing this dance, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, holding his
स्तुति आदि करने
both hands, he started offering prayers, Stav Stuti.
भाव अनेक प्रकार की भाव उत्पन्न होने लगे।
So many type of feelings started appearing in Mahaprabhu.
भाव संधि
Bhavatpatti Bhava Sandhi.
है। ये समझते जो एक भाव और दूसरे भावों के आकर के
So one bhav after the another bhav started coming.
है। उसी प्रकार महाप्रभु के दिव्य भाव प्रकाशित होते जा रहे हैं।
So in this way the transcendental bhav of the Mahaprabhu is getting manifested sometimes. Then Harsha, Asua, Irsha. So these all bhav are getting manifested. Sometimes Danya, humble. Being humble, sometimes holding his hands, folding his hands is offering prayers. So that is first Danya.
जय जय देवो देवकी नंदनो वसु जय जय कृष्ण विश्रीवंशा प्रदीप जय देवो श्यामल कमलांगो जय प्रतिभारुनाथ मुकुंद नाहं विप्र न च नरपति नाभि वैश्वर न शुभ्रो नाहं वरेणी न च गृहपतिर्न वनस्थो यदिर्वा किन्तु पद्यो निग्रह परमानंद पूर्णमिताब्दे भूमिर्भूत्
Gopir Bhartu Padakamdur Das Dasanu Das. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by doing this Stava Stuti, offering pranams to the Jagannath Deva.
उद्दंड नित्तर प्रभु पर्यहंकार चक्र भवी जय छे अलग आका नित्य प्रभु जहाँ जहाँ पड़े पड़ दौर ससागर शैलम मही करे टालम जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु नृत्य करते
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing, by the touch of Mahaprabhu's lotus feet, the earth started shaking, just like the earthquake. And at that time, all the devotees, especially Nityananda Prabhu, he thought that Mahaprabhu may fall. So Nityananda Prabhu, he came near. There are two things. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is in the Radhaji's bhav, he is dancing in those feelings, then the Nityananda Prabhu goes away from Mahaprabhu, because he is Baldeva. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is doing the dance naturally, then the Nityananda Prabhu comes close to Mahaprabhu. And when sometimes Mahaprabhu is about to fall at that time on the earth, at that time Nityananda Prabhu in the bhav of Ananga Manjari, he also used to protect Mahaprabhu. So there are many thoughts behind Nityananda Prabhu's coming near or going away from Mahaprabhu. So by seeing this all, King Pratap Rudra was so happy to see Mahaprabhu. Then Sarvam Bhattacharya and other devotees said that, "O King, O Maharaj, you are so lucky, because without the mercy of the Mahaprabhu, no one can understand the feelings of the Mahaprabhu." So when all the devotees were dancing, at that time Srivas Thakur, who is Naradji, he started dancing, coming near to Mahaprabhu. And while dancing, Srivas Thakur, he came near to Prataprudra. At that time, the Prataprudra's bodyguard, Harichandra, he was having a big body. He was a security guard of the king. So king looked like a small in front of that bodyguard. Like he was the chief commander of the army. Here Srivas Thakur, while dancing, he again and again, he was coming near to King Prataprudra. And at that time, Harichandan, what he did, he was pushing Srivas Thakur so that he stays away from king. But Srivas Thakur, he was dancing in sync with Mahaprabhu's feelings, and he forgot everything. Again and again he was coming near to the king, and Harichandra was again and again pushing him back, so that maybe he fall on the King Prataprudra. At that time Srivas Thakur, he felt angry, and in the anger, so that bodyguard was having so big body, Harichandran's body, and he slapped on his cheek. And that was the chief commander of the army and the security guard, personal security guard of the king, so he slapped him. So Harichandran, he felt so ashamed, and he also felt angry. Harichandran also felt angry. So he was about to slap Srivas Thakur. Then the Prataprudra said, "Oh Harichandran, do not do like this. You are so fortunate that Srivas Thakur's touch of the hand you have got. I do not have that fortune to have the touch of Srivas Thakur's hand on my body." A very beautiful teaching is here that the Guru Vaishnavas, when they are doing chastisement of any disciple, then this is their mercy, that they are controlling us. And if the Guru Vaishnavas, they are only glorifying you and not chastising you, that is called vanchana, means that is not a mercy. So Guru Vaishnava's chastisement should be accepted. If they are giving any kind of punishments to us, then it is a mercy, we should understand. So King Prataprudra is saying the same thing. Prataprudra is saying that, "Oh Harichandan, you are so fortunate that even I do not have that fortune." Because Srivas Thakur, he is Sakshat Narad Rishi. So you have got the touch of his hand. After that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, while dancing, he comes close to Jagannath Dev. Sometimes he goes away. There is also a very beautiful Tattva Siddhant. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking that I am Radha and my Pranakanta is Krishna, Govinda. And where the Govinda is going today, from Kurukshetra he is going to Vrindavan. So these are the feelings of Radhaji. Gurudev used to say that who is pulling the rope of the chariot? It is the gopis. There is no authority for the males to pull that rope. In the gross body, you are a brahmachari or a vanaprasthi or a grihastha. So this is the gross thought.
सूक्ष्म विचार क्या है?
But what is the sukshma vichar? The subtle thought is that the Jagannath,
कृष्ण के कौन वृंदावन ले जाएंगे?
who can bring
एकमात्र श्रीमती राधा
Jagannath Krishna to Vrindavan? Only
है।
Radhika ji and the
यदि गोपी
gopis.
भाव तुम्हारे हृदय
If you do not have the gopi bhav in your heart,
है, कृष्ण के नहीं ले जा सकते।
you cannot
भले
bring
ऊपर से जगन्नाथ जी के
Krishna
रथ खींच करके आ जाओ।
to Vrindavan. Maybe externally you are pulling the rope of the chariot,
इस संसार में धर्म
but
का काम कुछ नहीं है।
what you will be getting out of it, this pulling of the rope, dharma, artha, kama, moksha.
प्राप्ति करने के लिए
But to get the love, the prema, you have to get that feeling of being a gopi
जगत जीवों के देने के लिए आए।
that Mahaprabhu wanted to give to these jivas. Anarpita charim chirata.
समान वेद उज्ज्वल संत भक्ति श्रियम हरि पुरुष सुंदर कदम संदीपिता सदा हृदय मंदिरी स्फुरतु हर्ष जीवन सचिनंदन गौरवरी उदारचिता सभी को सर्वोत्तम प्रेम।
So Sachinandan Gaurahari, he gave love to everyone. Which love? Not an ordinary love.
वैकुंठ के प्रेम नहीं,
Not the love of Vaikuntha.
अयोध्या द्वारका,
Not Ayodhya, not Dwaraka, not
यहाँ
Mathura.
पे सख्खा वात्सल आदि प्रेम की
Even
नहीं बात
not
करें।
Sakhya Vatsalya Prema. Which Prema Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
जीव को दे रहे हैं।
is giving to the jivas?
राधा जी की प्रेम की जो किरण कण
The ray of Radhaji's love, which is called Manjari Bhav in one word.
जो सौभाग्य जी को उसको ग्रहण कर
So those who are fortunate will have accepted that Manjari Bhav. And
जो गोपियां जो है
the gopis, the Manjaris, those are
रूप में जो है
under the Anugatya
कृष्ण के कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं?
of Radha ji. They are
कुरुक्षेत्र से
bringing
गुरुदेव जी से पदार्थ बता देते
Krishna from Kurukshetra to. So Gurudev used to say, till the time you do not have these kind of feelings,
जगन्नाथ जी के बाद कृष्ण के कहाँ ले जाओ?
you cannot pull Jagannath Dev anywhere.
कृष्ण विजय वृंदावन इसी भाव को चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगत जीवों के निकट प्रकाशित कर रहे हैं।
So Mahaprabhu is manifesting these bhav in front of the materialistic jivas by the excuse of this Rath Yatra.
यहाँ पर कृष्णदास कविराज भी कर रहे हैं।
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also says that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, while dancing,
जगन्नाथ जी के रथ के जब पीछे आ
when
जाते हैं,
he comes
जब रथ क्या हो
behind the Jagannath's chariot, then the chariot gets stopped. When dancing, Mahaprabhu comes in front of the chariot, the chariot starts moving.
जब जगन्नाथ जी के रथ जब
When
खड़े हो जाते हैं,
Jagannath's chariot is stopped at one place, the king, he tries to pull that chariot with the elephants and the horses, but still the chariot doesn't move even for 1 inch.
स्वयं रथ उसके सामने आ करके
So then when Mahaprabhu, he comes in front, and while dancing he is moving slowly in front of the chariot starts moving.
गौर यदि आगे चले स्वयं है स्थिरे, गौर आगे चले स्वयं चले धीरे धीरे, यही मत गौर समय तुम्हें ठेला ठेली सर्वश्री समय राखी गौर महाबली। क्या गौतम श्रीमती राधिका
So here Gaur means Srimati Radhika.
प्रेम के द्वारा
The Srimati Radhika, with her love,
मानो कृष्ण के कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं?
she is bringing Krishna to Vrindavan.
विशेष वैशिष्ट्य है। इसी भाव को गुरुदेव व्याख्या करते थे।
So Gurudev used to speak on this bhav.
कितना सुंदर भाव, आदि
What a beautiful bhav.
यदि इस भाव को हम स्पर्श नहीं किया,
If we have not
मैं वही
entered into this bhav, touched
इस भाव को
this
यदि
bhav,
हमारी हृदय यदि स्पर्श नहीं
if
किया,
our heart is unable to touch this bhav, then
तात्पर्य
we did not understand the actual meanings of the Rath Yatra. Only that person would be able to understand, the one who surrender himself in the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu yatha yatha gaur padar vinde.
पदार बिंदे बिंदे स्वाद कुंड कुंडा तथा तथा सुकृति अकस्मात राधा पदाम्बुजो सुधाम्बुदास अनेक जन्म की सुकृति होने पर
After having the sukriti of many births,
शरण को उनको आश्रय ले
one takes the shelter of Sachinandan Gaur Hari and started doing the bhajan.
किंतु देखो
But
यदि भजन करना है पहले
if you have to do bhajan, first you have to take shelter of the Gaur Sundar's
जब तक
lotus
के
feet.
चरण आश्रय नहीं करे
Until the time one is not taking shelter of the Gaur Sundar, one cannot enter into the Madhurya Ras of Radha Govinda.
नववनम
Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavanaste.
आराधितो नववनो वृंदावन एव बदले आराधितो द्विजसुत ब्रजनागरस्ते नाराधितो द्विजसुत नतम्य कृष्ण आराधितो नववनम
Aradhito Navavanam.
नवद्वीप धाम का आश्रय कर
The
लिया
one who takes shelter of the Navdvip Dham, he will surely attain Vrindavan Dham. The one who has not taken shelter of the Navdvip Dham, he will never be able to attain Vrindavan Dham. And those who have worshipped,
आश्रय किया
taken shelter to Sachinandan Gaur Hari, they will certainly will attain Brajnagar Shri Krishna. And those who have not taken shelter of Sachinandan Gaur Hari,
कदापि वो
for them they never will be able to attain the Prananath of the Braj Gopis, the Brajnagar. So first one has to take shelter to the Gauradham and Gaurang Mahaprabhu.
की वास्तव जो
Then only
सिग्निफिकेंट
the actual significance of this
इसलिए वृंदावन
Rath Yatra we will be able to understand. So the sweetness of the Vrindavan Dham
आस्वादन करने के लिए और प्रवेश करने के लिए
and the Udaryata
नवद्वीप धाम नवद्वीप
of the Vrindavan, if we have to enter into the sweetness of the Vrindavan Dham, we have to take shelter of Mahaprabhu and
के द्वारा
Navdvip Dham.
जगत गुरु की शिक्षा दी।
So this is what Mahaprabhu is giving teachings to the jivas,
कृपा हम नहीं प्राप्त करें
that till the time we do not get
माधुर्य
mercy of the Sachinandan Gaur Hari, we cannot realize, relish the Madhurima, the sweetness of Vrindavan Dham. Yadi Gauranga Nahita,
के मने धोरी ताम दे यदि गौरांग नहित यदि होई त के मने धोरी ताम दे अरे राधा रो महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा राधा रो महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगते जाना तके जगते जाना गाओ पुनः पुनः गौरांगे गुण सरल होइया मन गाओ पुनः पुनः गौरांगे गुण सरल होइया मन
Narhari Thakur is writing this kirtan that if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu have not manifested in this Kali Yuga,
राधा जी की सर्वोत्तम जो प्रेम मधुरिमा की
the topmost Madhurima
कौन आस्वादन
Katha of Radha ji, who is going to preach in this world and who is going to relish in this world.
कि देखो ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु के भाव प्राप्ति करने के लिए और एक गुण
To attain this bhav of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there is one another secret
गौरांग के संगी जन जो है
that Gaurang Sangi Jan, the associates of the Gaurang one, has to take shelter.
महाप्रभु तब तक कृपा करेंगे उनकी
Mahaprabhu,
निज जन की कोई आश्रय ग्रहण करे
he will be merciful to only that person who takes a shelter to any associate of Mahaprabhu.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु ये नित्य
The
परिकर
associates, the Nitya Parikar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one has to associate with them.
संगी गणे
Gaurangera Sangi Gani Nitya Siddha Kari Mane Tara Hoy Braj Bhume Vasa.
अभी गौरांग के नित्य जन कौन है
Who are the Nitya Jan of Gauranga Mahaprabhu? Where we can get them? Savrup Damodar Rai Ramananda.
इनके बारे में श्रवण
You have heard about them. Raghunath Das Goswami, Rup Goswami,
अभी तो हमारी वो बहुत दूर चले गए।
but they are so far away from
अभी
us.
हमारे पास कौन है
Who is near to us?
जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु के भावों के हमारे हृदय में
Who can manifest those bhav of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in our heart? Guru Pad Padma.
इसलिए पदकर्ता फिर कहते हैं यदि नारायण नहीं तो
यदि नारायण नहित तबे की होइत ते मन धरिताम देह.
नारायण नहीं तो तबे की होइत के मने धरिताम देह. अधार महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगति जाना तो राधार महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगति जाना तो अरे गाओ पुन पुन नारायण गुण गाओ पुन पुन नारायणेर सरल होइया मन. बड़ा ध्यान से समझने के प्रयास करें.
So if we try to understand that we are listening to this Rath Yatra, these feelings of the Mahaprabhu, who can explain us all these feelings? The writer is saying, if Narayan is not there, if the Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj in this Kali Yuga, if he would not have appeared, then who would have told all this bhav? If Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj would not have appeared, who would have manifested these bhav in front of us? Prabhupada's Antaranga Parshad Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj. He used to come in our Keshavji Gaudiya Math and used to stay for 2-3 months. And while listening to the Gurudev's Katha, he used to weep so loudly, like he was a Mahabhagavat, Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Prabhupada's Antaranga Parshad. He used to say many times, I have heard myself that this Narayan Maharaj, he is the Nij Jan, eternal associate of Radhaji. So when he speaks Radhaji's Katha, it touches my heart. So he himself used to say, यदि नारायण नहीं तो तबे की होय तो के मने धरि ताम देव. गाओ पुनः पुनः नारायण रघुन. So one should always glorify Srila Gurudeva. Gurudev's pravachan Hari Katha, and especially the topic of Rath Yatra. If you hear, your heart would be melted. You will get that experience that you never got in past and will not get in future. So that kind of katha Gurudev used to give. Every year at the time of Rath Yatra, the Gurudev used to again and again speak on this same topic of Chaitanya Charitamrita, and he used to fully immersed in the bhav. We used to live along with the Gurudev, and we have seen that when this topic Gurudev used to explain, what a beautiful bhav Gurudev used to have. Gurudev is the Nitya Jan, Antaranga Parshad of Mahaprabhu. There is no doubt in it. Gurudev himself used to say that in the previous life I was Bengali, that I can speak Bangla language. When I came to my Gurudev, that you have to accept Mahaprabhu's bhav, then you have to learn Bangla. Then Gurudev said, from that day I started learning the Bangla language.
जैसे जैसे गुरुदेव ने कहा
Gurudev used to say these words, and I'm speaking the same words of the Gurudev. Gurudev said
ये देखो मैं चावल खाता हूँ,
that I ate rice. I have taken birth in Bihar,
चलो घर में जो खाया तो जो खाया, हैं? ये तो देखो मठ में आ करके मैं
but
चावल
after
खाता हूँ।
coming to Math, I
मैंने
eat
देखा गुरुदेव जो
rice.
है, अधिक रूप में क्या ग्रहण करते थे?
Gurudev, he used to eat rice,
बंगाल की पूरी खाते थे।
moody,
आज माधव महाराज की पूछो,
and ask Madhav Maharaj.
मूढ़ी खाते थे,
He used to
चावल
eat moody,
खाते थे।
chawal.
हमने देखा,
We have seen in Mathura, Gurudev,
सुबह
in the morning,
मूढ़ी खाते थे।
he used to eat moody.
माता महाराज प्रस्तुत करते नवीन प्रभु प्रस्तुत करते थे, हैं? और फिर दोपहर के समय
And in the afternoon,
दो रोटी खाते थे
he used to
और
eat two
चावल खाते थे।
rotis and rice and all the sabjis of Bengal.
और रात को गुरुदेव भी वो भी
And in the night also, Gurudev used to eat rice.
गुरुदेव सही कहा, मैं
Gurudev himself said,
कथा को आपने हमारे काठमांडू में अभी तक है।
I still have those words in my ears. Gurudev, he humbly was saying that I was Bengali.
गुरुदेव की बंगला भाषा भी इतनी सुंदर मधुर है।
Gurudev's Bangla
हम लोग भी
language
बंगाली
is so
में भी वो भाषा
sweet.
बोल नहीं पाएंगे।
Even we, being Bengali, cannot speak that
आप लोग ने जो लोग
kind of
गुरुदेव की संगत की
language.
आपके
Those who have associated
माता नवद्वीप,
Gurudev
माता
and
गुरुदेव,
in the Navadvip Dham, Gurudev never used to speak Hindi and he used to speak only Bangla.
और ऐसे सुंदर बंगला बोलते थे।
And he used to speak what a nice Bangla language. Even the Bengali would get defeated. What a sweet Bangla he used to speak.
इसलिए इसके द्वारा प्रमाण होता है जिन्हें गुरुदेव
It proves that Gurudev is the eternal associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is no doubt in it.
इसमें तो नरोत्तम दास ये कीर्तन में कर रहे हैं
Narottam Das
नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर की कीर्तन में
Thakur
कर
says in a kirtan, Gaurangir Sangi Ghane Nitya Siddha Kari Mani.
गौरांग चैतन्य महाप्रभु के
If
नित्य
Mahaprabhu's
कोई कर जो है उसके साथ
associates,
नहीं करेंगे
eternal associates, we are not
ये वृंदावन की भाव और महाप्रभु
associating
कैसे
with
महाप्रभु
them.
कैसे समझ पाएंगे?
How can we be able to understand this bhav of Mahaprabhu
सही मोहर
and Rath Yatra?
सही मोहर गौरांगीर दूती पद लाल धन संपद
Sampada
से जाने
Bhakati Rasasar.
इसलिए कहा मैं इसलिए कीर्तन के कारण जे गाओ पुनः पुनः गौरांगीर अरे गौरांगीर
So again and again one should speak the glories of the Gauranga, but we will speak the glories of the Gauranga later, but we should first speak the glories of the Gurudev, the eternal associate. Gurudev also used to say that if actually you want to relish the Ras Madhurya of the Vrindavan and Mahaprabhu's bhav, you have to learn Bangla, not just by Hindi. Gurudev used to say that you have to learn Bangla. Because the Mahaprabhu's Ras Madhurya, the vichar of the Mahaprabhu, you will not be able to get it in Hindi Kirtan and Hindi writings. Narottam Das Thakur's, you have heard the story of Narottam Das Thakur. He is the Prema avatar of the Mahaprabhu. Rupa Goswami Pad, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. They all are eternal associates of Mahaprabhu. If we have to get those feelings of these great devotees, and if we want to relish Chaitanya Charitamrita, then you have to understand Bangla, not by just Hindi language. This is the truth. Because our Goswamis, whatever they have written, there is a power in it. A Mahabhagavat, whatever he writes or speaks, there is a power in it. Gurudev used to do Bangla Kirtan. Sometimes he used to do Hindi Kirtan. So you may ask anyone who used to stay with Gurudev in 82, 85,
कीर्तन सुन सब बांग्ला
if you listen to Gurudev's Kirtan, and they were all Bangla Kirtans.
बांग्ला कीर्तन करते थे गुरुदेव नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर की
Narottam Das Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Kirtan only,
भाव में विभाजित
and always fully immersed in the bhav, because those Kirtan have the bhav of those writers.
वो हमारे तो संप्रदाय के नहीं है भाई मीराबाई हो और
There are many other great writers of the Hindi language also, like Mirabai.
लटा बना गान हमारे है महाप्रभु के है
They are also good, but they are not from our Sampradaya. But
लटपट करते
there are many other Kirtans who are written by the ordinary singer, ordinary writers. Though they look nice in hearing, but still the actual power is present in the Kirtan of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Vidyapati Chandidas, Jayadeva.
महाप्रभु स्वयं
That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself used to relish those writings.
जैसे आप लोग स्वरूप दामोदर की कथा सुनी है महाप्रभु जब तक स्वरूप दामोदर जब रेक्टिफाई नहीं करते थे माने
So till the time Mahaprabhu, Savrup Damodar is not going to authenticate any Kirtan, Mahaprabhu never used to hear that Kirtan.
स्वरूप दामोदर की आज तिरुभाव तिथि बता रहे हैं
Today is the Tirubhav Tithi of Savrup Damodar.
सहजिया कोई व्यक्ति आ गया
If some
कीर्तन बहुत सुंदर लगता है, वो
some Sahajiya
माने
came from Bengal and he used to speak very nice Kirtans.
और महाप्रभु के ऊपर एक
And
श्लोक सुंदर लिखा
he wrote a very beautiful shlok on Mahaprabhu. By hearing that shlok, all the devotees were so pleased. The general meaning was the Jagannath Dev,
भगवान
the Sakshat Daru Brahma Bhagwan, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also Bhagwan. So this was the main meaning of that shlok. All the devotees were so
महाप्रभु के सुनाया जाए
started saying that everyone should recite this kirtan in front of the Mahaprabhu. But what was the rule of the Mahaprabhu when the Savrup Damodar
नहीं सुने और श्लोक
have not heard any kirtan, and he does not say that it is an authentic kirtan,
महाप्रभु के विचार को भी
then Mahaprabhu will never hear it.
सहन कर नहीं पाते तो सभी भक्त लोग कहने लगे अच्छा पहले स्वरूप दामोदर के
So all the
सुनाया जाए।
devotees then they said that let us first go to Savrup Damodar.
सब स्वरूप तो प्रशंसा कर रहे हैं
Everyone was glorifying that kirtan of that person.
जगन्नाथ जी के ऊपर और महाप्रभु के ऊपर किंतु देखो जब कीर्तन श्रवण किया स्वरूप दामोदर
But Savrup Damodar, when he heard that kirtan, he said, "Oh foolish,
कीर्तन श्रवण करने से जरा निज गति हो
that by reciting this kirtan and hearing this kirtan, you will go to the lower species of life. You are calling Jagannath as Daru Brahma,
जीव तत्व
and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu you are calling Jiva Tattva."
जगन्नाथ शरीर और चैतन्य महाप्रभु शरीर
He said Jagannath is a sharir and Mahaprabhu is shariri. There is no difference of the body and the soul in case of the Bhagwan.
समझ में आ जाएगा भगवान जो है उनके शरीर और शरीर में
Bhagwan's
कोई
body and the soul, there is no difference. There is no difference in the body and the soul for the Bhagwan. But what he has written, that Jagannath is the body and Mahaprabhu is the soul.
शरीर आत्मा किसमें होता
So
है
the body and the soul, this concept comes in case of the Baddha Jiva.
दोनों चरण में अपराध किया
So you have done an offense to both Jagannath Dev and Mahaprabhu.
के क्या कहा
So you are calling Mahaprabhu and
अरे महाप्रभु
Jiva
और जगन्नाथ में
Tattva.
कोई भेद नहीं
There
है
is no difference between Mahaprabhu and Jagannath
साक्षात
Dev.
ब्रह्म भगवान दोनों ही भक्त हैं।
Both are Parabrahma, Bhagwan.
एक दारू ब्रह्म भगवान
One is Daru Brahma Bhagwan and one Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Sakshat Bhagwan and he is Jagannath.
एक सचल जगन्नाथ एक अचल
One is Sachala
एक स्थान में
Jagannath,
होकर के सब जीवों
one is
की
moving
कृपा
Jagannath and
करें।
another is non-moving
सर्वत्र
Jagannath.
समस्त जीवों के दर्शन देकर के कृपा करें। जिससे चैतन्य महाप्रभु और जगन्नाथ में कोई
So there is no difference between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Jagannath.
देखो कहाँ सभी लोग प्रशंसा कर रहे थे और स्वरूप दामोदर ने क्या की
So when Savrup Damodar he said that you are a foolish,
ये समस्त विचार मैंने इसलिए कहा था
then everyone
कि
understood.
देखो, महाप्रभु के जो पार्षद होते हैं परिकर जो होते हैं
Mahaprabhu's
उन्होंने
associates,
कविता लिखा
whatever they have written,
और उन्होंने जो रचना की उसमें शक्ति है।
their writings have the
और
power.
विधान के कीर्तन करो हो सकता है
And if you do the many other kirtans, it may be very nice for your ears, but you will not get any power.
इसलिए चैतन्य चरितामृत
So Chaitanya Charitamrita,
यद्यपि हिंदी भाषा में,
दो चैतन्य चरितामृत इज इन हिंदी,
किंतु इसमें प्यार जो है सब हिंदी, सब बंगला है। केवल तो आपको टाइप किसने कर दिया हिंदी में।
so you have this Hindi Chaitanya Charitamrita which is written in Hindi, but you have to understand the Bangla language also if you want to understand the bhava
क्या पढ़ना
of
पड़ेगा?
Mahaprabhu and Rath Yatra. So you should read Bangla.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राम। अभी हम महाप्रभु की कथा काल बताएंगे, रथ यात्रा के विषय।